Hello, I'm Brian with Hammerhead Audio at Troop Manufacturing. Wanted to show you this pick and place desktop machine. This is the AFARCO desktop machine. This thing is the beast. You want a good machine? This is it. Don't go with them equally priced. Sometimes a little more expensive 3D printed ones. This thing is all aluminum, super fast. Right now I'm running at half speed. I'll show another quick video here at the end of it running full speed. I'm a little scared to run at full speed because this is kind of new for me, and its accuracy is incredible. OpenPnP, pause it here so we can take a good look. So all aluminum, rugged, holds up to 40 feeders, 8 millimeter, 12 millimeter, 16 millimeter, and 24 millimeter feeders. All work fantastic, easy to load, and this thing is a beast. Let me try taking the speed up a little bit. Let's run it at 75%, and I'll show you the difference here. As you can see, it's a lot faster, even at 75%. I'll jump it up to 100% real quick. You won't 3D print anything like this, I can tell you that. And it's probably even cheaper than the one that you see on the internet that everybody's always talking about online on YouTube and stuff. I gotta slow this back down. A little fast for me. Yeah, and this thing is rugged. She don't move around or nothing. I think I bought this machine a year ago. I bought it about 38 millimeter, 28 millimeter feeders, like 3 12 millimeter and like 2 or 3 16 millimeter feeders, shipped from Vietnam, so I didn't have to pay the outrageous tariffs from China. This guy who owns it, Tony, brilliant. He ships it, builds it and ships it out of his shop in Vietnam, and I had it within a couple of weeks. He custom builds to order all the feeders and the machine and shipped it to me. It came well packed, and I tell you, I couldn't be happier. 6-station tool changer. I changed mine. They come, I believe, with 6 on one side of the machine. I put 3 on one and moved the other 3 to the other side. Another thing that you have to do when you get this machine most times is change the voltage on the power supply. Underneath the panel where the camera sits, there's like 3-4 screws. Take those 4 screws out and you flip the switch. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks similar to this little power supply. There's a little switch right here on the side, changes it over to 120 volt. So just be mindful of that. If it doesn't turn on when you get one, that's why. This is my reflow oven here, and I rebuilt the controller using the Reflow Master Pro, in case anybody wonders. It works with OpenPnP, and I use KiCad for designing. And again, I couldn't be happier with this thing. I'm so glad I didn't buy the one online that's extruded aluminum poles and 3D printed parts holding it all together. Those guys, though, they have fantastic information on the internet. I couldn't have learned how to run this without them, so I don't want to diss them, but for nearly the same price, maybe even a little cheaper, you can get yourself a rugged machine that you don't have to build. It comes ready to go. Worth every penny, every single penny. If you're doing any type of SMT work, SMB work, at home, in your garage, in your shop, this is the one you want. All right, thank you. Message me if you have any questions.